everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to redeem Hollister gift card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up a web browser and go to the URL box on the top of the screen. Type in www.hollisterco.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official website of hollisterco.com, which looks like this. Make sure that you are logged into your account, and once you are, go ahead and select an item that you'd like to shop online. Add it on your shopping bag, and as soon as you do that, mouse over to your shopping cart at the upper right hand corner. Click on View Bag in the pop-up displayed. Once you've selected all the products that you would like to shop with, go to the Checkout button on the right hand side of the screen. Enter your shipping address information into the text boxes that appears on the screen, and while selecting a payment method, choose the gift card option under New Payment. Enter your gift card account number, which is available at the back of your gift card for Hollister. Make sure to enter the information correct, and then click on Apply Gift Card to Order in order to redeem your gift card with the purchase you are trying to make with Hollister. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.